Learn how to utilize views that transform overwhelming data into a flexible, spreadsheet-style layout for smarter selling. In this video, you'll learn how to create and edit custom views that unify Salesforce and ZoomInfo data, organize records with grouping and highlighting features, edit data with real-time CRM sync, and collaborate with your team through sharing and duplication. You'll also explore how to leverage AI-powered chat directly within your views to analyze patterns, generate insights, and perform bulk operations. Views are your command center for organizing accounts, contacts, leads, and opportunities that never go stale. To create a view, start on the home page in GTM Workspace and click Views in the left navigation bar. At the top, select the plus sign, then select New View in the drop-down. In the pop-up window, choose a data source, either Salesforce or ZoomInfo, and click Next. Select what data type you want to see. Choose Companies or Contacts for ZoomInfo data. Or if you select Salesforce, choose Accounts, Contacts, Leads, Opportunities, or Tasks. Now, name your view and click Create View. The grid populates instantly with records you have permission to access. Views use scope to determine which records load before filters are applied. In Salesforce-based views, scope includes records assigned to you, records assigned to your team, or all records you have access to. For ZoomInfo-based views, companies can be scoped to target accounts or all accounts, while contacts can be scoped to contacts at target accounts or all contacts. All scoping respects Salesforce permissions. You'll only see records and fields granted by your CRM administrator. Views give you powerful ways to surface exactly what matters. Start by adding fields from Salesforce and ZoomInfo. Include firmographic data, contact information, buying signals, and engagement metrics all in one place. Create user-defined fields for personal tracking like dates, checkboxes, or notes that stay private to you. Next, apply filters to narrow your focus. Use operators like equals, contains, or is empty to find specific records across multiple criteria. Group records hierarchically by owner, stage, or any field to reveal patterns at a glance. Finally, enable highlighting to spotlight recent changes within your chosen timeframe, making it effortless to track what's shifting in your pipeline. To see full CRM details without leaving your view, click the expand icon to the left of any record to open a drill-down panel with all associated fields. Review and edit fields directly in the panel while maintaining your context. Changes sync to Salesforce in real time, keeping your data consistent across systems. Unlike traditional spreadsheets, views maintain bidirectional sync with your CRM. Any change you make updates Salesforce automatically, and any updates in Salesforce appear in your views without manual refreshing. Refresh view data often to have the most relevant data by selecting the circular arrow icon at the top right. The view updates automatically when the refresh completes. For Salesforce views, this pulls the latest CRM data. For ZoomInfo views, it updates from the ZoomInfo database. Fields may be reordered by selecting a field, then move it to a new position. To adjust the width of a field, hover over the border until the resize cursor appears, then drag to the desired width. To remove a field from the view, there are two options. Click the Fields icon at the top and uncheck the box next to the field you want to remove, or select the three dots at the top of the field column and choose Delete. To rename a view, open the ellipses menu at the top of the view and select Rename View to change it. To delete a view that's no longer needed, open the ellipses menu and select Delete View. Views make collaboration simple. Use the Share button to let team members see the same data, columns, and filters in your view. Click Add after typing your teammate's name, and then click Done. Shared views are read-only, but teammates can select Duplicate to create their own editable copy. You may also duplicate your own view anytime. Bring AI directly into your views with Ask Copilot. Click Ask Copilot to open the chat panel with full context from your current view. Ask questions like, which accounts have the highest engagement? Or, summarize deals closing this quarter. Copilot can analyze patterns, compare records, and even perform bulk operations like sending emails or updating fields. Every chat is saved and accessible later in your chat history. You now have everything you need to create powerful, customized views that accelerate your productivity and gives you complete visibility into your sales pipeline.